Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I will talk about interview question. Okay, so guys, in this video you will get top 10 MA interview question, and that is for development studies. So if you want to get very good information, very important information for your interview, please watch this video till the end. Okay guys, let's start. This is the first question. So guys, I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. So this is the first question, and your interview panel will ask you this question. Okay, so try to answer this question very efficiently and correctly, and you have to present your answer, you have to give your answer within 1 minute. Don't say much about yourself. So what is the question? Tell us about yourself. It means you have to introduce yourself in front of the panel. You have to introduce, okay, in front of the panel. So guys, this will be your first question in IIT. Almost in all IIT you have to face this question, and if you want to get the answer, what you should to tell about yourself, so I will give you the answer. But in this video I will talk about only all those 10 questions. What are the meaning of this question? What type of question you have to face? Okay, or you have to give answer of the questions. Okay, so guys, if you need the answer about yourself, about your introduction, so please comment in the comment section. I will make a different video or a separate video for this answer. Okay, so you have to prepare yourself for your first question, because all of you know that first impression will be the last impression. So if your first impression is good, then your last impression always will be good. So try to do your best. Okay, so this is the second question. What is the second question? Why do you want to do MA? Okay, there is a mistake. Why do you want to do MA? Okay, so I have to check it. 1 second, I have to check it. Why do you want to do MA? Okay, so I think it is now okay. So why? Really, you have to, the panel or interviewer may ask this question. Okay, so they will ask you, they will try to get your intention, why you want to pursue this program. Okay, so I think, why do you want to do MA? Okay, so you have to answer this question very efficiently and correctly. Why I am telling you guys, I think you have to prepare yourself that why you want to go for MA degree. It's very simple. If you want to if you want to pursue your research career, that is why you want to do this MA program. And one more important line is that you have keen interest in higher studies. So you can tell like this. So I am giving the answer of this question, so you should tell like this. Listen carefully. So I have keen interest in higher studies. I want to remain in academics, and I want to pursue a career in research field. That is why I want to do this MA program, because MA program is one of the good platform to pursue research, because in MA program we'll do a research project, okay, and from that project I'll get more idea about research field. So thus you can give your answer, but this is not the perfect. But if you want to get the perfect answer of this question and previous question, so please comment in the comment section, then I will give you my answer, okay, because I have given many interviews during my preparation. Okay, now I am now in IIT Bombay, so 2020 and 2019. Okay, so in these 2 years I have visited many, 2019 I have visited many old IITs, most of the old IITs like IIT Guwahati, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, and IIT Kanpur, also IIT Hyderabad, IIT Gandhinagar, and so on. Okay, so I think if you need the answer of this question, please comment in the comment section. So this is the third question. This is the very important question. Why are you interested in this program? So this is a generalized question, guys. Why I am talking about this question? Because there are so many departments of humanities and social science. Okay, so that is why I have generalized this question. Why are you interested in this program? Suppose someone is going to give the interview for MA in development studies, and someone you are going to to give the interview in humanities, digital humanities. Okay, so you have to prepare this question very efficiently. Okay, so why are you interested in this program, specific program? Why you want to do this program? So I think previous question and this question just for MA degree. Why you want to do MA? Okay, so and this is a very program basis. So why are you interested in develop this program? Okay, so you have to prepare yourself. This is the fourth question. Why do you want to join this institute? There are so many institute, top-notch institute, but why you want to join this institute or our institute? Okay, they may ask the interviewers, they may ask this question. Suppose you are going to give your interview in IIT Guwahati. So the interviewers may ask you this type of question. There are so many top institute like IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi. Why you want to join this institute, or why do you want to join our institute? What is the reason behind why you are going to choose this institute? This is a very important question. If you want to get the answer of this question, please comment in the comment section. I'll make a separate video, because I will discuss today all 10 questions. What are the question, and what is the meaning of that question? So this is a very unique video for you guys. Many students asked me, sir, please make a video about interview. Okay, so I am making this video just for you guys, for your interview preparation. Okay, so the students who are going to give your interviews in upcoming 1 weeks or 2 weeks. So just watch this video. All the question you will get, I'm very confident that all those IIT, top-notch IIT, they may ask, the interviewers may ask this type of question. Okay, so prepare according to that. So this is the fifth question. So what was your specialization? What was your specialization? Suppose some student will complete MA degree in different domain, and they are now interested in development studies. Okay, if you are from MA background, so I think you have some research experience or project experience or whatever the experience you have, or you already have a specialization during your masters, and who are from like BA, BSc background, okay, or BTech background. So I think guys, you have some preference. So in BTech, I think there are there is an option for specialization. So you have to answer, you have to give your answer according to that, according to your specialization. So just prepare yourself on the basis of this question. What was your specialization? Okay, so I think guys, this video will be unique and very, very important. Please share this video with your friends, because this is a very unique video for humanities and social science candidates. Okay, this is the sixth question. Tell us your 3 favorite topics or area. Okay, so from this question, your interview will be in another way, because if they ask this question to you, that tell us your 3 favorite area, it means that on the basis of your answer they will ask further question, and your interview will be depend on your answer. Okay, so try to be specific. Don't tell much about your hard topics. Try to give the most favorite 3 areas where you are like, in which area you are very comfortable, and in which topics or area you have really interest. So be specific, try to be specific. And one more important information is that your further interview depend on your question, depend on your answer, will depend on your answer. Okay, so please listen carefully. When the interviewers will ask this type of question, you should be specific. Okay, and try to give the answer, try to give this answer. Okay, so in which area you have really good knowledge. Okay, because all the interviewers, they know everything. Okay, they know everything. Okay, don't try to be clever, don't try to be clever. I am telling you guys again, don't try to be clever. Okay, so they will know, okay, what you will mean. Okay, so this question will be your important question, because on the basis of this question and on the basis of your answer of this question, your further interview will be going on. Okay, so guys, this is question number 6, is very important. Tell us your 3 favorite topics or area. And almost all top IITs like IIT Mumbai, IIT Madras, IIT Delhi, Kanpur, okay, so I have faced this question. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. So question number 7, do you have any research experience? Guys, the students who are from national institute, like any uh, centrally funded CFT or centrally funded technical institute. So I think you have done some research work during your master's program. Who are from BSc background, you should tell that you, if you have any research experience, then you should tell yes that you have research experience. If you have not that, so always you should tell the truth that you have no research experience. Okay, so in front of the panel, don't try to be clever. Okay, they know everything. Okay, so try to be specific and try to be honest in front of the panel. So if you have any research experience, you should tell the truth, and on the basis of your answer of your research experience, your further interview will be going on. Okay, so try to answer this question very cleverly. Okay, very cleverly, and you have to give your answer in brief. Don't try to explain very much. Your answer should be specific and you have to give your answer in brief. So prepare this question very efficiently and correctly, and practice this question, practice the answer of this question. So already I have told you 7 questions, and please make answers all of this question. Okay, if you need the answer all of this question, please like comment in the comment section. So this is the question number 8. Have you done any project during your BA, BSc or MA, MSc or BTech? Have you done any project? Have you done any project? So this is very unique question. Like the students who have already completed their MA degree, but if you want to do one more MA program, interdisciplinary MA program in from IIT, so I think you will be able to answer this question. So if you have any research experience or if you have done any project, so you have to tell the truth in front of the panel. Okay, so this is the question number 9. This is the question number 9. Do you have any research proposal? So for this question, especially for top 7 IIT, do you have any research proposal? Suppose you have idea and you have a specific area of interest, so you have made any research proposal. So at that time you can answer this question that I have a research proposal because I am interested in this field, whatever the field you have chosen. So you have to tell the everything in front of the panel. So I think this information will be really helpful. This is the final question. This is the final question, but it is the ultimate question. So the question is, do you have any specific question for us? Do you have any specific question for us? So at the end of the interview, the interviewers may ask this question, and I have faced this question in IIT. One second. I have faced this question. Okay, I have faced this question into 2020. So IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Guwahati. So your interviewers will ask this question. Do you have any specific question for us? Do you have any specific question for us? Try to understand the meaning of this question. Guys, When you will say that no sir, I have no question, it means that you have no interest about professors. Okay, you have no choice. Okay, that you want to do any program, or if you have no any interest about any specific professors. So for this question, so you have to search the professor's profile, and you have to take notes about all the professors of your area of domain. Okay, so if you are going to if you are going to do your MA program, so guys, you have to check all the profiles, because at that time you have no specification. But when you will go for PhD interview, you have specification, you have specific field. At that time you have to be more specific, guys. So I'll make a separate video for PhD interview. Okay, I think this question, all this 10 question will be really helpful. All this question you will get when you will face interview. And one more important information, guys, I want to share with you, guys. When you will get any help from my YouTube videos, just let me know, guys, because I'm making this video for you guys. So if my videos are helpful for your preparation, if my video is important for you, so please make comments. So all the answers of you will motivate me to make more videos, okay, about humanities and social science. Okay, I think my channel is the only channel in YouTube that is dedicated only for GATE humanities and social science candidates. So guys, please prepare this answer of question number 10. Do you have any specific question for us? Okay, so guys, this is the final question. So try to be clever at that time. Why? The reason is that you have to tell to the interviewer that you are very interested. And one more important thing, you should ask like the professors that any type of work they are doing during their research. Okay, they have many different projects, okay, they are doing. So you have to ask the specific question. I know, guys, this is a very hectic, but you have to do it, because if you want to get admission in IIT, top-notch IIT, you have to do all the things. Okay guys, tata bye bye from my side. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.